Hey everybody, Mike with Cactus Crawlers RC, and we are back with the Vanquish VS4-10 Phoenix Portal. Boy, that was hard to say. Hey everybody, Mike with Cactus Crawlers RC, and I am back with the Vanquish VS4-10 Phoenix Portal that I've been working on. In the last video, I had built the chassis and got that completed, and it's ready to go. And in this video, we are going to be concentrating on the body of this truck. What we have here is the Toyota FJ40 style cab-only body. And it's a big body as compared to some of the other bodies that I've done. That is a huge cab and roof section right there, and I can just see the corners of this big cab just getting chewed up in rollovers. If I can help it, I would like to take it very easy on this body. Now, along with this body, it's going to come with a couple of bed sides that are going to attach to this plastic cage that has to be assembled. The Vanquish Phoenix also comes with an interior kit right here. So you get the interior with the seats and a dashboard that connects right there, as well as the steering wheel, steering column, and little shifter that attaches right there. Paint job that I'm going to do in this is going to be the red for the most part, backed by black. I also picked up some silver and some dark gunmetal gray. An off-road truck that's strictly built hardcore will probably have like aluminum pieces in the interior. It won't have like a carpeted and plush interior. It's going to be all business. And an all business truck is going to have an aluminum looking interior. So I might go that route. I was also thinking that this rear part that's molded into the body, it looks like a toolbox, and what I'll probably do is use the gunmetal, the dark gunmetal, to paint this part of the body to separate it from the red of the truck and the red of the bed sides, and it'll not stand out so much if it was painted the same red color. So I'm probably going to do the toolbox in that gunmetal. So this truck comes with the indentation going around the windows as if it was the rubber seals, and I'm going to double mask these windows. So I'm going to do the first masking where it's going to cover up everything, including this rubber surround, and then I'll paint the truck in red, and then when I come back for the black backing, I'll take off that tape and I will just use the masks that come with the kit that just do the glass and not the surround. And so when I come back with the black backing, it'll paint those parts around the windows. I will also be masking off the fenders, so they'll be in black too. With the holes that are pre-drilled in here where the bumper attachment goes, these two in the corner are awfully close if you were to trim out this opening. So it's a little bit of a concern for me, so I'm probably not going to cut this out. Another thing that I notice is that when people paint the front end and they mask off their lights and they mask off this grill area, you could still see some of the color behind the black ABS grill of whatever body color that they paint with. And so mine doesn't stand out like that. I'm probably going to mask off this whole inset and then paint the truck its red color, and then I'll come back, peel this, put in the mask for the headlights and this grill area. I'll make a mask out of tape for it, and then I'll shoot that with the black when I come back for the black backing. That way when I put the grill on there, you won't see a little bit of red paint around the grill area or the headlights. I think that'll work out. So that's my plan for this body. Or my next step is to wash this body really good and prep it for paint, mask everything. Let's get started with that. And here is my completed Vanquish VS4-10 Phoenix Portal. The body is done and painted, all put together, and I think it looks awesome. Very cool. I love the look of this truck. I think it came out looking really great. I'm very happy with it and so excited to be able to get it out on the rocks next. So right now I'm charging batteries. We're going to get it out there tomorrow morning. Be sure to come back for more Cactus Crawlers RC when I get some running footage of this vehicle, and we'll see y'all next time.